Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and you want to lock apps on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You have to simply press and hold any app which you want to lock. So as you can see this, if you press and hold any app from here you will see require face ID option. So as you can see this, once you tap on this and if you tap on require face ID, after this app will be locked and nobody will be able to open this app without your face ID or without the password. So as you can see this, if I try to open this app, it will ask for the password or the face ID. So as you can see this, in this way you can also lock apps on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.